Hello students, welcome to Narayan PU College online classes and continuation here nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now they have given some compounds here. We have to identify reactivity of these compounds towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, and previously we have discussed on the benzene ring, if electron density is less, then nucleophile will attack very fast. Why? Because nucleophile electron rich, benzene also electron rich. If electron rich, then it is also electron rich, there will be a repulsion, then nucleophile will not attack. If you decrease the electron density on the benzene ring, then if benzene ring electron density will be less, so that's why repulsions will be less, nucleophile attack takes place very easily. So that's why if electron withdrawing groups are present on the benzene ring, then they withdraw the electrons from the benzene. On the benzene, electron density will be less. When electron density is less, nucleophile easily attack. So that's why, as the number of electron withdrawing groups are more, and that haloarene shows the high reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So that's why here 3 electron withdrawing groups are there. So that's why our benzene is less electron density now, so that's why nucleophile easily attacks here, chlorine will be replaced. What is the order of reactivity of this molecule towards the nucleophilic substitution? Here 3 withdrawing groups, here 2, here 1, there is no withdrawing. Now here this is important, and previously we have discussed what is the good leaving groups among the halogen are is, first one is iodine. Iodine is a very good leaving group because this carbon iodine bond, if you take carbon iodine bond is very that means length. If you take carbon and iodine bond, it is a weak bond, so that's why it breaks very easily compared to the carbon and fluorine. The bond is short here, this bond is longer, so that's why bond strength is less, bond breaks very easily, iodine removed as a I minus easily compared to the F minus. So very good leaving group iodine here. But if you see in this case, the reactivity, it should be in this order, but it is not correct. The order is reverse. What is the order means? The order of these molecules are in this way. Wow. This is shows high reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? Because means just now only I mentioned, number of electron withdrawing groups increases, nucleophilic substitution takes place very fast. But here fluorine and NO2 in all cases NO2 is present, but you see fluorine, bromine and iodine, which one is more electronegative? Fluorine is more electronegative, so that's why fluorine, it withdraw the electrons from the benzene, and at the same time NO2 also withdraw the electron from the benzene ring. So that's why on the benzene ring electron density decreases, so nucleophile attacks takes place very fast here. But here NO2 withdrawing group compared to fluorine, iodine is a less electronegative, so that's why in this case nucleophile will not attack easily on the benzene ring. Yeah, so that's why it will show the high reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Yeah. Next one is electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Clear? And nucleophilic substitution reaction we have completed. Now electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophile, electrophile means electron deficient species, where they will attack where the electron density will be more. Clear? See now, if you take haloarenes, I have taken chlorobenzene here, and lone pair and a double bond are in conjugation, so that's why it involved in the resonance. When they involved in the resonance and ortho position, negative charge generated, and chlorine is losing electrons, so that's why it acquires the positive charge. And again negative charge double bond are in conjugation, they involved in the resonance, and again you will get the negative charge on which position? Para position. It involved in the resonance, and again you will get the negative charge on ortho position. Clear? Through the resonance and the chlorobenzene acquires the negative charges on the ortho and para positions. Means ortho and para positions are electron rich in halogens. So that's why where the electrophile attack here, either ortho position or the para position. Clear? And we have some reactions. First one is halogenation. First one is halogenation. Same, previous you have studied halogenation on benzene ring, but now we are studying about the halogenation on halogens. And you know that chlorobenzene, when it is treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3, then where the chlorine will be, what is the electrophile here? Cl plus is the electrophile here. This is electrophile is Cl plus. We have studied already. This is the electrophile in this reaction. So that's why this is AlCl3. It is act as a catalyst. I will not explain detail here because you have studied already in the first year. So that's why. And chlorine, you know this chlorine, and due to the resonance and ortho and para position, it is electron rich. So that's why. And you know electrophile attack either the ortho position or which position? Para position. This is, you know, this is, you can write here 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. This is what it is. 1, 4 and dichlorobenzene. Clear? Which one is the major product? And this is the major product, and this is the minor product. Why? Because here chlorine and chlorine very close to each other. There is a chance of repulsions between the two chlorine atoms. So that's why it is less stable. And but here, and both chlorine atoms are away from each other. So that's why repulsions, there is no repulsion. So it is a more stable. More stable products always major products. This is halogenation. We can simply say chlorination. And next one is nitration. Next one is nitration. This is also you have studied. Yeah, nitration, you know, chlorobenzene and treated with HNO3, the presence of concentrate H2SO4. What is the nucleophile profile here? NO2 plus is the electrophile. Clear? And you know what the product you will get. You will get the NO2 added either the ortho position or the which position? Para position. Clear? It never attack on meta position. Why? You see in the resonance structure on the meta position, is there any negative charge here? No. Meta position is not electron rich, so that's why it will not attack. Attack will not take place here. And what is the compound here? The compound is chloro 1 chloro 2 nitrobenzene. 2 nitrobenzene. And here what it is? 1 chloro and 4 nitrobenzene. So which one is the major product? Para product is the major, and the next one, what is the minor product here? This is the minor product. This is halogenation, and another one is nitration. Next one is sulfonation. We have completed chlorination and you know nitration. Next one is sulfonation. And if you take same here chlorobenzene and concentrate H2SO4, sulfonation, concentrate H2SO4, then what the product you will get? You will get the product is benzene sulfonic acid. Clear? And another one is para, and another one is ortho. Clear? This is, and chlorine if you take substituent, this is benzene sulfonic acid. Means it is 2 position. It is, we are taking as a main one, means it is a 1 and it is a 2. So that's why 2 chloro benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Clear? This is 4 chloro benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. What is the electrophile here? Electrophile is SO3. That is also you have studied in the first year. So which one is the major product here? This is the major product. Yeah. And the next one is Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reactions. Yeah. You know Friedel-Crafts reactions, two types. One is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and another one is Friedel-Crafts acylation. First we will discuss about alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Yeah. You know in this one chlorobenzene and treated with alkyl halide. Suppose if I take methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3, then you will get the compound is this is ortho and another one is para CH3. Yeah. So which one is the major product here? This is always major product and this is always minor product. Okay. If I take this is a toluene, then you can write here 2-chlorotoluene, and here this is a 4-chlorotoluene. Yeah. And next one, what is the electrophile here? Chlorine will be removed and electrophile is CH3 plus is a electrophile. In the same way, this is the alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts which one? Acylation. So what we will take here? In this one, we will take the same chlorobenzene I will take and acyl chloride RCOCl same in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then you will get and COCH3 plus another one you will get the same compound Cl and COCH3. This is acetophenone. 2-chloroacetophenone. And here 4-chloroacetophenone. Which one is the major product? This is the major product and this is the minor product. Yeah. So this is about the electrophilic substitution reactions.